Good morning, students. This is Umesh Kumar, your science teacher. Today, we are going to study chapter 8 of your science textbook. The name of the chapter is Solids, Liquids, and Gases. So, we are going to study about states of matter. So, let's start the class. In the previous video, we studied about solid, liquid, and gas. Today we are going to learn about change of state, that is how matter changes from one state to other. So let's start. Our first topic is melting. So what do you understand by melting? It is the change that occurs when a solid changes into a liquid as the temperature increases. We will see with the example of ice cubes. For this, take some ice cubes in the pan. After some time, keep the pan on a burner to heat. You will see that the ice cubes will change into water. So how does it happen? On heating, the molecules in solids they start moving fast and finally break from the rigid pattern. The constant increase of temperature makes the molecules move more rapidly and melts the solid into liquid. This changing of ice into water it is called melting. आइस क्यूब्स को जब हम हीट करते हैं पैन में तो उनमें प्रेजेंट मॉलिक्यूल्स मूव करना स्टार्ट करते हैं और जैसे ही टेम्परेचर बढ़ाया जाता है उनकी स्पीड और बढ़ जाती है और आफ्टर सम टाइम हम देख सकते हैं कि सॉलिड से लिक्विड वाटर में चेंज हो जाता है आइस. दिस प्रोसेस इज नोन एज मेल्टिंग. नेक्स्ट इज द इवापोरेशन. यू ऑल नो अबाउट दिस. सो व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय इवापोरेशन? It is the process by which water changes into water vapor due to heat. Evaporation is always going on in the nature. Next is the evaporation. What do you understand by evaporation? It is the process by which water changes into vapor due to heat. Let's see how it happens. On heating the water, all the molecules of water they start moving and in between they collide with each other. In this collision, some molecules they start gaining energy from other molecules and at last they evaporate from the water. लिक्विड वाटर को जब हीट किया जाता है पैन में तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो है स्टार्ट करते हैं मूव करना. मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं एक दूसरे से टकराते हैं. इसी बीच कुछ वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स दूसरे मॉलिक्यूल्स से एनर्जी गेन करते हैं और फिर फाइनली वो वेपर में चेंज हो जाते हैं. सो चेंजिंग ऑफ वाटर इनटू वाटर वेपर इट इज नोन एज इवापोरेशन. नेक्स्ट इज द कंडेंसेशन प्रोसेस. टिल नाउ वी सो द हीटिंग प्रोसेस. नाउ वी आर कमिंग बैक टू कूलिंग. So, what do you understand by condensation? It is the process by which water vapor they change into droplets of water on cooling. It is known as condensation. Let's see how it happens. It occurs because on cooling, molecules of water they slow down, they come together and form a liquid. If the temperature further falls, the liquid changes into crystals of ice. You can see in the picture that when we keep the lid over the pan, after some time small droplets of water can be seen on the lid. It happens because on cooling molecules of water they slow down, come together and form a liquid. Last one is the freezing. It is the change that occurs when liquid changes into a solid as the temperature decreases. When we decrease the temperature, the molecules of water they arrange themselves into a rigid structure and after some time they form into ice. जब हम टेम्परेचर डिक्रीज करते हैं तो वाटर मॉलिक्यूल्स जो हैं अपने आप को अरेंज करते हैं एक रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर में और फिर टेम्परेचर कम होने पर वो आइस में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं. सो चेंजिंग द लिक्विड इनटू आइस इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रीजिंग. Our last topic is expansion and contraction. Till now we studied that by heating or cooling we can change the state of the object. This change occurs in all materials from solid to liquid and then liquid to gas. But the effect of heating, it is quite opposite to that of cooling. Let us see how it happens. Increase in temperature makes the thing expand. So when a thing is heated, the molecules move faster by gaining energy. Each molecule takes up more space due to their increased movement. So the thing expands. It means that when we heat the material, the molecules they move faster by gaining energy. Each molecules they take more space due to their increased movement. In this case, the thing expands. So the increase in size of matter on heating, it is known as expansion. Next is the contraction. It is just opposite to expansion. Decrease in temperature makes the thing contract. When the thing is cooled, the molecules slow down. Each molecules they take less space due to their decreased movement. So the thing contracts. It means that when we decrease the temperature, the molecules their energy becomes less and they take less space due to the decreased movement. In this case, the thing contracts. So the decrease in size of matter on cooling, it is called contraction. किसी भी मटेरियल को हीट करने से मॉलिक्यूल्स की एनर्जी आती है जिससे उनकी स्पेस भी बढ़ जाती है. इससे मटेरियल जो है एक्सपैंड हो जाता है. इसके जस्ट ऑपोजिट किसी भी मटेरियल को कूल किया जाता है तो मॉलिक्यूल्स की एनर्जी कम हो जाती है और उनकी स्पेस भी कम होती है जिससे मटेरियल जो है कॉन्ट्रैक्ट हो जाता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कास्ट आयरन they expand on heating and they contract on cooling. When we heat the object, the molecules move faster, they take up more space and the thing expands. When we cool the material, the energy of the molecules becomes less, they take up less space and the thing contracts. So, here we have completed chapter 8 of your science textbook. Keep reading your textbooks and do all your homeworks. Thank you.